everyone, thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to do a iron hide install video. We're going to show how to set up these iron hide covers. And in my routine, the first thing we do is the seats and the dash. So we take our dash cover and set it up on top right there. We're going to unroll our seat covers and put number one on like so. Close that door and then come over to this side and put on number two, and then from here we will throw our dash cover on because we have a little more room to maneuver on the passenger side. We don't have a steering wheel in our way. So we will throw this up here like so. Tuck this behind the steering wheel. That is our dash cover. And then we'll throw our fender covers on. So unfold that, make sure we got everything lined up like we want. And that is that side. Take our strap, put it on there, and going to pull some slack out of this. Come on. There we go. And we'll drag this around the front here. Forgot to put my hood up. Got to have the hood up because of this strap here. Bring our other strap around. Put that on, and we are going to pull all the slack up out of this because these are stubby nosed cars. Back over here, take the rest of the slack out of this one as well. Make sure you keep your straps straight so you don't kink them inside your clip there. And we're going to take this guy, pull that up, and then we are going to draw slack up on this to pull our sides up so these get held in place. Like so. So now you've got it over the edge of these here. And then, like I showed in the previous video, I added one of these little S carabiners here, so we can clip this to there and hold all that in place. And if we want to, we can loosen this up just a little bit, give that a little more slack. That way our latch here can drop down, still catch the latch without catching our strap, and then here this holds this out of the way so you can still access your hood release there. So you can set that down, and then you can see right here still have access to the hood latch. And then the hood cover, oh, never mind, forgot the engine cover. Reach under here. Where'd you go? There you are. There you are. Throw our engine cover on like so. Put your tools up there. Set that guy back down there again. And then the hood cover, typically I do not put the hood cover on until I am done taking everything apart because it just wants to slide a little bit depending on the slope of the nose of the vehicle. So that being said, let's go ahead and throw it on just to show you. I have mine all folded up here. Set that like so. Pull this down. And then just flop your sides out like so. And then you are ready to set your glass. That is installing your iron hide covers on a Subaru Crosstrek, but they work on anything. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.